Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making power and pressure safe. First, unplug the window AC and switch off the breaker, then verify 0 voltage with a multimeter so you won't get shocked. Next, recover refrigerant into a certified tank. This protects you and the environment. Once done, remove the grill and unscrew the service panel to expose the compressor. Make sure to label and photo the wiring and tubing positions. This saves time when reinstalling and prevents cross-connection errors. With access open, drain compressor oil into a clean container and inspect for metal shavings that indicate system damage. That tells you if other parts need replacing. Then isolate the refrigerant lines, either braze carefully or use flaring tools to separate suction and discharge lines. Cap the openings to keep debris out. Unbolt the compressor from its mounting plate and unplug the electrical connector. Keep each fastener and part organized. That orderliness makes the next steps much faster and avoids mistakes. Place the new compressor and secure it with proper torque. Reconnect electrical leads exactly as photographed and install new gaskets or O-rings to ensure sealing. Once mechanically complete, vacuum the system to around 500 microns to remove moisture, then perform a pressure/leak test at recommended pressure to confirm integrity. Recharge the system with the manufacturer's refrigerant and correct oil volume. Finally, run the unit. Watch pressures and temperatures and listen for odd noises. If pressures won't stabilize, check for leaks or wrong valve positions as your troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.